Good morning. Um, Today we're going to do lesson 19, problem set, problems one together. And what we're going to do is use unit square tiles, but we don't have those. So we're going to have to think about our multiplication tables. We're going to complete the charts to show how many rectangles you can make for each given number of unit squares. The first one is done for you. You might not use all the spaces in each chart. So let's look at the first one. First one, we have number of unit squares is 12. So we think of the numbers that we can multiply together that will give us 12. So the width is going to be the smaller number, the length is going to be the larger number. So we have 1 times 12, which equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So that gives us 3 rectangles. So that's what we're going to do down here. Number of unit squares equals 13. Well, first we have 1 times 13. And then we ask ourselves, will 2 go into 13? No. Will 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? No, and 9, no. So all we have is 1 square made. Now, number of unit squares to make 14. We have 1 times 14. 2 will go into 14 by multiplying by 7. How about 3? No. 4? No. And we go on down, and 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 cannot go into 14. So we have 2. We made 2 rectangles there. 15. We have 1 times 15. 2 will not go into 15. 3 will go into 15 by multiplying by 5. 4 will not go into 15. We already got 5. 6 will not go into 14. 7, 8, or 9 will not go into 15. 15. So we made 2 rectangles here. Let's go back up here. Now we have 16. We have 1 times 16. 2 times 8. And 4 times 4. And even though 4 is a square, it's also considered a rectangle. So we have 3 rectangles. Okay, number of unit squares equals 17. 1 times 17. And 2 through 9 will not go into 17. So we just have 1 through 17. 1 times 17. So we just have 1 rectangle. And our last one is 18. So we have 1 times 18. 2 times 9. And 3 times 6. And if y'all didn't get these facts this fast, you need to be working on your multiplication tables too. Okay, after you finish this, then you're going to come to the second page and you're going to do a line plot. Remember a line plot. Here you're going to number 12 through 18. So you're going to go 12, and do another dash and go 13. What else did we have up there? We had 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18. And you'll number them across, because you're going to create a line plot. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to where 12 is, the chart, and you look, and you have 3 rectangles. So you're going to put an X, 3 X's going above it to show 3 rectangles. Okay? And that's what you'll do for the rest of the line plot. Then number 3, which number of unit squares produce 3 rectangles? You write down all the numbers. What do some numbers of the unit squares, such as 13, such as 13 only produce 1 rectangle? And you're going to have to figure that out. Has to do with prime and composite numbers. Remember, prime numbers are only numbers that have 1 in itself. So it only has 1 in itself. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Prime numbers only have 2 factors, 1 in itself. Okay. Finish this and then do your exit ticket. And I'll see you at 11. Bye.